Hello everyone and welcome back to another space engine video, and today we're going to be continuing on from last episode. Definitely go ahead and check that out if you haven't seen it already, but we're going to continue exploring the universe and seeing what sort of planets we come across. So if you guys are all ready to rock and roll, let's do this. So continue. Right, so we're exactly where we finished off last episode, so let's just go into the depths of the Milky Way. So still in the Milky Way. Maybe we'll have to jump out to Andromeda if we find it. There's our local star. There's Andromeda in the distance. Maybe we'll just head that way. Why don't we go for a... and then look back at the Milky Way from Andromeda. So why don't we do that? So let's... we're travelling. Okay, here we go. So let's keep going. The Andromeda's going to take a while. You know, we've got to go through the Milky Way. So let's continue increasing speed as we leave the Milky Way. And to be honest, there are rogue stars outside, because we're outside the Milky Way roughly. There's the Milky Way there. So why don't we go somewhere in between the two galaxies, see if we can come across any rogue stars, because it looks like there is a few out here. So let's just continue travelling. Oh, there's the wider universe. It's the Milky Way. If we look back at the Milky Way now, so we've left, there's the Milky Way there. So if we approach the Milky Way again, so all the background stars sort of fade out. But there are some rogue stars here. So so if I go here, for instance... because that's in the real depths then, so... I want to try and find some like last minute stars or something, like right on the edge of the Milky Way. Is there any... there must be some sort of like local stars out here. It's got to be. I don't want to head to any galaxies. I do want to head to... so there's a red giant there, so let's head here. So what is going on over here? So is this count as in the Milky Way? I mean... that kind of looks like it's out the galaxy to me. It has planets. So what is going on here? There's a neutron star. Oh, hello. I don't think I've seen a neutron star in this game for years. If I've ever... oh, yeah. Slow down time. Let's just pause. What is going on here? Oh, check it out. Oh, my God. Whoa. That's pretty cool. We're on the surface of the neutron star. So remember, very, very dense object. It's only 16 kilometers in radius, so that's a very small little guy. So there it is there, but a ridiculously crazy looking design there. What the heck? That's it bending the light of the red giant it's in orbit of, so... oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's try and dim... look, I'm literally... the time isn't playing with pause, but when I zoom in, it moves. How cool is that? So, neutron star, everybody, check it out. Let's actually press play, see it in action. So, slow down time a bit as well. So, the time scale, because remember, this is spinning ridiculously quick. That's why, even with slow time, it's taken ages to spin. So, maybe if I just spin it up faster, it will sort of do it a little easier. But remember, this is spinning ridiculously quick. It's a neutron star. So, that's why it's doing that. So, let's just pause. There's the red giant again. I want to try and dim this down and try and actually get a view of the object itself. It's like that. Ah, yeah, there he is. Check it out. You can see, look at the red giant as well. So, about minus 2.25 is where we want to be. So you can see the neutron star in all its form, all its glory there. So you can see how it curves space around it like a black hole would as well. Very, very cool. So, if we zoom out, still ridiculously bright. If you just get a little closer there, we've landed on it again. So you can see it curves space like the black hole would. Very, very cool. We're on the surface of this guy. But either way, that is pretty awesome to see. So play, and there it is in action. So neutron star, all its glory. Check it out. So that's pretty cool. And we're on the edge of the Milky Way, remember. So where it is, the Milky Way is there. Check that out. So if we just zoom out a little more. Remember, it does curve the space a bit, but if we just have a proper view of it, there's the red giant. So where's a good view of the Milky Way? Let's just go a little further. It's because the Milky Way is so dim. That's why we can't see it properly. So if I just turn it back up to where we were. There's the Milky Way. Excellent. Oh. Pretty cool system, though. You know, on the edge of the Milky Way. Red giant and a neutron together. Pretty insane stuff there. Let's look back onto it. So there it is. So it's on the edge of the Milky Way. Very, very awesome. So let's have a little rotate around. Try and get a cool view of it with the Milky Way and the red giant together. Maybe just the Milky Way, actually, but yeah, that's pretty cool. So, there we go. But there's the Milky Way in the background there with that red giant, so pretty awesome stuff. But I would like to get a little further from the Milky Way. I just want to see these planets first, because they actually look quite interesting, actually. Well, this planet, planet of water, in orbit of that, and that, red giant and a white, and a, I was about to say a white dwarf, and a neutron star together. I think radiation would be an issue here. Let's just have a view at the other planets. Is there anything else going on here? Look how hot the Neutron is. 299,000 degrees as well. Ugh. Crazy stuff there. But anyways, let's continue on. That's the only real highlight of this system. So let's move on. So there we go. So let's leave that in the depths of the Milky Way, edge of the Milky Way. So is there any sort of star? See, that doesn't really count as the Milky Way, does it? It's completely out of it. So there we are. Andromeda's over there still. I'm sure that's Andromeda, isn't it? Yeah, that's Andromeda. So is there any sort of other stars sort of in this region, like in between the Milky Way? Like if I leave the Milky Way a fairly... Is there any sort of stars? I'm trying to see if I can find a star or anything just on the edge of the Milky Way out here. See, what's that? That's a cluster. Well, we got a cluster outside the Milky Way. Check that out. It's a huge cluster of stuff. So well, they're just chilling outside the Milky Way. Hey, that is awesome. Check that out. Whole load of planets just chilling in there. So what is hidden in here? Look at this. Fantastic stuff. All sparkling around the Milky Way. Hey, that's really cool. I wonder if there's anyone with life in here. Oh, there is. Orange dwarf with life. Hey, right. What's going on here? So warm arid sub-Earth with multicellular life. Check it out. Hey. Planet with life outside the Milky Way, everybody. Check that out. That's so cool. And then there's also a gas giant, probably with a moon with life. Oh no, the gas giant itself. Multicellular there. Cool. Got some lifelike planets as well. Very cool stuff indeed. So there we go. Okay, let's continue having a little look around. Well, this cluster's enormous. I mean, there's a lot of stars in it. There's a whole map of stars just there. Let's find any other objects of life. Clicked on one earlier as well. There was at least 2 in here. There's got to be a lot more though. I mean, look how many there is. There's loads. Everything I'm clicking on is inside this cluster, so I mean, there's a lot to choose from. You can see this. Finding the ones in life still a little hard. There's one there. Just clicked on 2 together as well. So this one on the edge of the cluster. A lot of activity around here. So where's our culprit? It's this object here. Okay. Got rings as well to go with it. So there's our planet of life there. Cool. Okay. Right. So now moving properly out. I want to see if I can really find something that's actually properly out in the Milky Way. So something more around this sort of distance. Got the clue clouds there. Like you got the small and the large clouds. So on the edge of the Milky Way as well. Actually, you probably get a cool view of the Milky Way from inside this galaxy. Actually, with all the stars that are in here. So let's actually enter this galaxy and look back at the Milky Way from. Look at the view of that. We see a little thing, but they see that. You know, from this cluster, or not this cluster, this actual galaxy. So. This is the large Magellanic Cloud, so... Okay. Let's try and get a cool view of something from in here. There was one with life I just clicked on there, damn it. Try and find one with life again, but... Let's see, come on. One with life, there you go. Orange dwarf binary. Here he is. Okay, so what is going on here? Let's go to the planet with life. Here it is. Okay. So it's actually a moon. It's this one here. So this has life apparently. So there it is there. So if you're looking from here, you got the other cloud there. There's the small Magellanic Cloud. And then the Milky Way should be in sight. There. Look at that. Imagine seeing that. Yes. So you land on here. And you get, there's obviously your main galaxy in the sky. A small cloud there. The Milky Way is, I think it's behind us. That's cool stuff. That's really, really cool. The Milky Way is... oh, where is Milky Way gone? Wait. I think it's on the other side, isn't it? Yeah, there he is. Okay. Let's try and get a better view of that from another one of the objects in here. So, take a jump over here. Got some planets. Let's hop to one of the planets. 68 moons here. Whoa. Here we go. This will give us a good view. So let's go to one of the moons. Let's pick this one. Okay, here it is. So, pretty cool looking moon actually. And there's the Milky Way in the background. So check that out. Let's land here, right on the edge of the day and night zones. So there's your parent planet. The Milky Way probably won't be visible till night time. It's a cool view though. So let's actually just keep heading into the night. So let's keep it going. There's the Milky Way there. But if you go under the atmosphere, the Milky Way will get dimmer. So let's keep going through the darkness because we're going to need it to be properly dark for us to actually see this. So let's just go. So where are we? Where did the parent planet go? Where are we? Can't just vanish. Where's it? Where's he gone? Parent planet. There he is. Okay, so he's over there. All right. So that's what we want to look from this direction. Slowing down the velocity as we enter. There's the Milky Way with our parent planet there. Let's land here. Volcano view as well. Northern Lights, Milky Way, and a parent planet and a volcano. Look at this. So we've got the Aurora, I should say. Check that out for a view. Look at that. Fantastic stuff. So we've got the volcano, the Aurora, the planet with more moons around it, and the Milky Way all in one picture. Look at that. Fantastic. And our parent galaxy is there as well. Let's look at that. Oh, yes. What a view that is. Let's try and get the perfect shot, but that is fantastic. Volcano, planet. Oh, wow. That is, what a view. That is an awesome picture there. I mean, let's just try and turn the... Oh, yeah. Now, what do you think of that? A little brightness enhancing going on there. What do you think of that? Fantastic stuff. That is seriously, seriously cool. That is. Let's just dim the planets so you can see them all properly. But that's fantastic. Manual. Whoa. Auto. What does that do? Definitely the HDR. That's best at our settings. Woohoo. Oh my god. But the Aurora. Fantastic. All together with it at the same time. Let's go with 1. I think 1 is the best, but that's a really, really cool view. Yeah, let's get a pic. I'm definitely getting a picture of that because that has got to be our thumbnail for today, surely. But let's actually have a look on the surface. Actually, get some of the rocks in there as well. Can we get the try and find the lava as well? Oh yeah. Maybe we need to get a picture from here. I mean, maybe this would be right on the edge of the lava. Somewhere there. Now it doesn't nowhere near looks as good as the picture we took before, but that still is pretty cool. I mean, maybe this picture as well. You know, maybe that's a good one to go for. Again, I have to probably pick one, but that's definitely going to be the thumbnail. It's got to be one of that. It's a fantastic shot there. Let's go down to the mountains. I mean, the Aurora. Just look at the Aurora. Huge Aurora going on here. Look at that. So we have found a pretty awesome gem here. I mean, that's a fantastic view. I mean, look at that. Let's actually go really down into the Aurora. I mean, oh, maybe we can get an even cooler view from somewhere else on the planet. Oh, look at that. And the Milky Way as well. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Again, what a fantastic shot. Get it exactly right, and you get that in your night sky. The Earth really doesn't treat us well, does it? With fantastic views. I mean, look at that. I mean... It's so cool. And you got all the Aurora. Look at the Aurora lines, you know, the magnetic field. What a planet that is. I think we'll have to save this. It's just one of the highlights. Because you can save stuff in this, can't you? Let's actually just get it from that exact view as well. Roughly around here. But, I mean, yeah, you got all of it all together. We'll take a picture from inside the Aurora to sort of label this as well. But got everything combined together. Is it flag? You flag it, right? Add. This location. Thank you. Look at that. What a shot. So there we go. So that's featured and my location. So I've got that on there forever now, right? Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay, cool. So let's move on from this gem. So there it is there. So if you would like to see this for yourself, you can search this name in right there. But what a shot. But basically, it's in the large Magellanic Cloud, looking at the Milky Way. Wow, what a shot though. That was fantastic. So there we are. But now I want to head to Andromeda and look back at the Milky Way. So where is Andromeda? So back to the Milky Way, because it's easier to find it from inside the Milky Way. So less things are showing up. So where's Andromeda at? There it is in the distance. You can almost see it. So here we go. Let's head towards the mighty Andromeda. So here it is. Okay, entering the Andromeda galaxy. So what's that over there? Is that the pinwheel? Oh, that's Triangulum. Cool. So entered. We're in. Look how bright Andromeda is as well. Oh no, because we are on higher brightness, aren't we? Let's put it back to how it should be. So we are on. We are cheating a bit. It should be at 1 or 0, shouldn't it? So yeah, that's where we should be. Okay, so look back at the Milky Way from Andromeda. That's the Milky Way over there. What's this one here? That's quite close to Andromeda, this one here, isn't it? Cool. But yeah, Andromeda, looking back at the Milky Way. That's it over there. So the Milky Way even smaller than Andromeda appears, also, because it is a smaller galaxy. But you get a cool view of Triangulum. There he is. That's a good view of Triangulum. So Andromeda galaxy. What's Andromeda got for us today? So let's head into the very big galaxy. And this is big. This is about double the size of the Milky Way, Andromeda. So pretty crazy stuff. I wonder where the center black hole is in there. I mean, oh, there it goes. Is that there? I think I've just found it. Oh no, that's the whole galaxy. How do we get to the central black hole then? Do we just zoom in, or I've got no idea where it'd be located, but there should be a big cluster of stars roughly where the center of the galaxy is. So I mean, it's quite hard to locate the center. I mean, is there a way to find the black hole in the middle? I mean, it should be like a massive pile of stars all clumped together as the galactic center core. So I mean, surely it'd be somewhere here, I'd assume, somewhere in the middle. There must be a huge cluster. I don't know where it is though. I mean, there's just so many things in here. I mean, oh. If I just search Andromeda, should it come up with the... No, that takes us to the galaxy. I want to go to the center black hole. Is there one called like black hole or anything? No. Oh, so many. I don't know how to find it, because I know how to find obviously Sagittarius A, but I don't know what the name of the... I have no idea what Andromeda's black hole is called, so that's a bit annoying. Let me just quickly try and find it. Andromeda black hole. What's its name? Okay, I've got a name here. I don't know if this will work. Name? M31. Let's just try M31. That's... No, yeah, M31. It says it's a star. It can't be. It's a black hole, though, right? Let's try again. M31. Let's just see where this takes us. Go to. So I think that's just Andromeda again. I did copy something. Let's see if I can find it through this. No, that's not either. I don't know. J0045 plus 41. See if this comes up with anything. No, that comes up with a star again. Oh man, I mean, that's the full name here. See if I can find anything. No, I don't know what it's called. If we can locate it, but anyways, Andromeda. So let's have a little look-sees in here. I mean, there's just so many. I mean, finding the galactic core. I mean, that's no idea where it'd be. I mean, it's somewhere in here. There should be just a huge cluster of stuff, but I don't know if it's in Space Engine. I mean, it must be. I don't know. No idea. But anyways, let's have a little look around the Andromeda galaxy. So let's start clicking around, see if we can find anything cool. Quite a dark area here. It's pretty mysterious. Let's try and go somewhere in here. We'll do something with life, maybe. In the Andromeda. So come on. Maybe we'll just go to random stuff, see what we come across. Completely random. Blue star. Blue main sequence as well. Oh, brutal. Okay, so very, very blue here. Look. How many moons this guy has as well. I mean, either way, it's still a pretty cool shot with the galaxy behind it as well. That's pretty awesome. Nice. Actually, I think I got an even cooler idea, actually. Andromeda's a pretty big galaxy, so what if I go to Triangulum and then look back at Andromeda? So I can another jump here. And so we can still find the Milky Way from here. There's Andromeda over there. Oh, Andromeda's a really cool view, actually. So let's go in here. So we're in the local group still, roughly. Right, so we're in this galaxy. Right, so there's Andromeda. Really good view of Andromeda. Now, where is the Milky Way? Can we find the Milky Way anywhere? I'm assuming it'd be pretty sweet. Is that it there? It is. There, yeah. Hey, Milky Way. Cool. Oh, there's a red. What's that red area there? Ooh. What's going on in here? Looks mysterious. White main sequence star. Let's go here. Oh, we're outside of it now. Looking back at that red. Getting a bit of lag as well. Interesting. What's going on here? Very, very laggy. Oh, that's very red. Brown dwarf. Hey. Nice. Got some planets going on here. Let's have a little look at what's going on. That's a cool view of Andromeda behind there. I really like that. Pretty hot going here. Anything of interest? Just very, very hot stuff. Crazy. Okay. Right, let's continue travelling. So in Triangulum now. Blue main sequence star. Let's hop there. Binary system as well. Nice. Binary planet. There's a planet with water around the blue stars. Let's check that out. Getting light from both stars. Hey. So it's an all ocean world as well. Nice. Got a binary planet system here as well. What's going on there? Okay. That's a cool view of the galaxy. Let's try and get a little surface view going on here. Let's land down here. Ooh, that's very, very cool. Just let time fly by. And we're on the north, aren't we? So it won't really properly. We need to go on the night side here. Is it tidally? Oh, I think it's tidally locked. Oh, it is tidally locked. Yeah. And I would never find the nighttime by sitting on that planet. Okay. I do want to get a cool view of it though. Let's just smash straight here then. Okay. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Slow down time. Oh. Help. Where are we? Ah. Oh, I think I dragged around the planet. I think I lost where I was. Oh, man. Damn it. I just want to go to the nighttime side. Yeah, here we go. Right. Now let's look up. Come on. Moving the camera. I'm moving the camera. It's a little hard to see, but I am moving the camera. Zoom out a bit. I think I need to... I can't see where I am. Brightness, help me out. Oh, even with that up, I can't see where I am. Oh, no. Back to 0 or 05. Manual. Ah, there you go. Okay, so we are on a horizon. Okay, so I should be able to just look up, right? Atmosphere off. Really? What? Oh, gee. I'm lost. I've completely lost where our camera was. Okay, so atmosphere on again. Right, so what happened there then? I think the atmosphere is just really, really thick, so you can't see properly. Let's just try landing a more... Yeah, it's just completely dark under here. Atmosphere off, clouds off. Oh, it's the clouds. Look, there's the atmosphere on. It's clouds. Completely hidden under clouds. That's why. But there's your view. No wonder I couldn't find anything. Clouds were completely dimming us out. Yeah, completely hidden away. So now let's leave. So, I mean, that's what it looks like here. So, atmosphere off. All clouded, like a Venus. So it's actually an ocean world underneath. Cool. Very, very strange stuff. Okay, cool. Moving on. Again, I'm just going for random planets in random systems. No particular destination in mind at the moment. Just going completely random. It's a nice Earth world there. Nice all ocean world. Nice to see some worlds made of water. Cool. It's got some Aurora as well. Hey. Yes. Oh, yeah. Look at the Aurora on here. Wowee. Fantastic stuff. It's a great looking Aurora. Oh, with the galaxy behind as well. Hey. Oh, we're under the water. Look. We just went under the water. Oh, and we're in the depths of the sea. That's really, really cool. Let's enjoy that. Look at the view there. That's nice. I like that. There's the Andromeda galaxy. Nice. Do like the Aurora. That is really, really cool. Right. Again, another destination. Let's go completely random. Maybe more to the centre. Blue subgiant. Okay, here we go. Hey. Very bright. Oh, we got a glowing hot world here. What's going on here? Is this one of those really cool glowing ones? Oh, it is. Yeah, look at that. These are really cool with these glowing clouds. Or is it clouds? No, it's not clouds. It's just very hot. Those aren't no clouds. That's clouds. That's all just a surface. Okay, so what is going on here? Let's try and land on one of these red areas. So here it is. Hot. Very, very hot and glowy. Nice blue sky, but hot. Turn all this off. Then this should be one of those glowing areas. Yeah, it is, yeah. Fantastic stuff. Oh. Oh, now you really see it at night time. Ooh. That's cool. It does look pretty dangerous. I do like the blue whales with the glowing hot look to them. They do look really, really cool. There's a nice view of it. Yeah, I do like that. Excellent. Right, moving on. Yellow dwarf. Okay, let's head over there. It's crazy just jumping just light years at once, just in seconds. It's so cool. Got a glowing hot world here. Torrid Neptune. This is a very, very hot ice giant there. No more ice on here though. Ugh. That star, man, it's just scorching it. Another hot world over here. That's cool. Actually, one world I do want to check out. I want to see what Korot 7... Is Korot 7b in here? That'll take us back to the Milky Way. Oh, it is Korot. Okay, 7-7. I want to go there. Heading all the way back to the Milky Way. Ooh, Korot 7b. Check it out. Oh, yeah. Hot, hot, hot. Pretty crazy stuff, eh? This is just known as Korot 7b. I like how it actually has a name, unlike all the other ones. That's pretty cool. Actually, as well, 55. Let's see some hot stuff. 55 Cancri. Is it? I think it's 55 dash. It's going to be impossible to find. I think it's that 55 Can. I think that's what that stands for. It's got 5 planets. Cancri B. 55 Cancri. We need Cancri E. Oh, they actually have names as well. Oh, that's cool. 55 Cancri E is this one. Yeah, 55 Cancri E. Ah. Cool. That's cool. I thought it was meant to be a rocky planet. Interesting. So orbits, yeah, 55 Cancri A. Yeah, we're in orbit. That's 55 Cancri A, yeah. The Cancri E should be a rocky world? That's very close to its star. I thought it's meant to be a... Yeah, let me know in the comments. It's meant to be a rocky world, right? The planet made of diamonds. Or planet with a lot of diamonds on it. It's cool, though. It's meant to be a super Earth, yeah. Interesting. Let me know you guys' thoughts on that. Cancri E is definitely meant to be the... Yeah, definitely meant to be the diamond world. Got some neighbouring... They have custom names as well. There's an object named Galileo. That's cool. Cancri EB. Cool. That's cool. Nice. But yeah, this one, Jansen here, this is Cancri, but yeah, it's really weird how it doesn't have why it's a gas giant. Looks like it's got a material trait. Yeah, it does. Let's lose a material. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Let's speed up time. Watch this. Oh, yeah. I mean, that trail will be going for quite a while, I'm assuming. Let's put orbits on. So it's a very dangerously close orbit, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Cool. That's orbits there. Nice. Right, but anyways, guys, I think I'm going to finish off today's episode of sort of random exploration in Space Engineers. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Yeah, definitely about 55 Cancri, because I'm sure this is meant to be it. And, yeah, it doesn't seem like to be a rocky world. So, yeah, what's that all about? But, yeah, let me know what you guys think on that. And, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to press that like button, subscribe for more. Helps on the journey to 30,000 subscribers as well, guys. And, yeah, with that all said and done, make sure you guys all stay safe. Have a great day out there. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.